So this video has about 10 minutes worth of pre-planning done to it. I knew that I had to film my Boxycharm, Boxycharm boxes and stuff, but I haven't filmed like any sort of tutorial in a little while. I really want to do a full face of makeup today. I really want to play around with some makeup, and I was like, let's just do like a try-on / unboxing. Now, I thought of doing 2 separate boxes if I had more time to film more videos. For today, let me know what you think of this, but for today's video, we're going to try two boxes, okay? And I'm praying that it works out. So we're going to go ahead and get diving into it. There's really not much else to this. We're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm for November, the base box as well as the premium. I'm really hoping this works out. So we're going to find out. I have not looked at anything. I have no idea what even sneak peeks are for this box this month. I did pick out my choice for my premium, so that I do know what's inside of there. So kind of one reason why I did want to do a bare face, because I know there's one product in there that includes a complexion. But the first thing I see is a skin care product. This is the Skin Fix Resurface AHA BHA Enzyme Exfoliating Pads. These are supposed to help tackle dark spots on the face and the body, and retexturizing peel to smooth and brighten. This is a cruelty-free, a vegan-free, and alcohol-free. I believe there are 60 pads in here. Next up I have is what is this? This is the Ography makeup brush cleaner. I actually could really use this. I have spent so much time the other day washing brushes, and I was thinking to myself, man, if I just had like a spot-on brush cleaner for some of these products, this would have worked out really well. And especially when I like go and do makeup for other people, something like this is super helpful cleaner. I'm going to use this today in between using brushes. I'm going to see how this works. But it says that you can just spray onto the brush and wipe it. Oh wait, no, this isn't like a spot-on. This is like a makeup brush cleaner. Never mind. Sparingly, so not to soak your brush hair. Oh wait, you can, I think. Well, I don't know. We'll give it a try. We'll see. I think you can use it. Here, we're gonna start off with makeup now. First item I have is by Ace Beauty. This is the Ace Beauty Amplifying Base. I have the shade Light. And this is supposed to offer a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. It intensifies your eyeshadow colors, both matte and shimmer, and allows the shadows to stay on longer. Let's start off with one, because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do for this eye. Oh, this is nice. Definitely beats having to use a concealer. I used like the tiniest amount, I thought, and it's still very pigmented. So we do have an eyeshadow palette that we're going to be working with today. This is by Violet Voss. This is the Violet Voss Sunset. So I did ask for something colorful. I'm getting it. And this looks like it's going to be tons of fun. Oh my gosh. I was expecting colors that are brighter. I'm not going to lie. I was expecting brighter colors, but I'm not mad. We're going to be able to create something. It's obviously not going to be as bright as I probably would like it to be, but we're definitely going to play around with the violet colors, which are actually just these two. If you were to take out these two colors right here, this would be a very neutral palette. I think we can get almost all of them on our lid. We're gonna attempt to do that. Look at those shadows. Off. I'm just gonna spray my hand with some of this brush cleaner. Try to get this off really quick because I don't have makeup wipes on hand right now. I want to unbox the last thing in our base box because it is going to go along with the eyeshadow palette, and it's actually some eyeshadow brushes. This is a collaboration with Luxie, and it is the Por la Noche. I assume that's how you say it. And it's got it looks like 2 eyeshadow brushes and 1 face brush. So we're definitely going to be using all 3 of them today. I feel like some of these colors might be a little dark for what I'm wanting to do. Let's start with the shade Blush, which is that soft baby pink shade. I am using a Sigma E40. Yeah, see, and I'm going to spend some time blending this out. Just a little bit of time. I'm going to dive into the Desert Sand color, which is that brown shade, and I'm going to take that kind of right over it. I'm going to try to mix these 2 colors because I don't want it to be too pink. Oh, these are good mixing. These are good mixing colors. I like that. That was more from what I was looking for. Good. These blended so nicely. That was so quick. I'm going to go in with the shade Amber Sky now and focus this again more on the outer lid and over the entire crease. These are blending so easy. I'm now going to go in with Dusk. Same brush. Let's see how this works. And I'm going to pack it just right on the lid. So I'm just going to start deepening the outer corner. Y'all, I am so impressed by how easy this is to work with. And you don't need a lot of product to achieve this look. I'm going to go back in. There's no product on this brush. This is the first brush that we used to get that the first two shades, and I'm just going to blow it out. Feeling the sunset. I really want to give the sunset a try. Using the base again, I'm going to take the concealer brush and I'm going to apply a little bit onto the concealer brush and cut it out. Actually, let's apply a little bit of this makeup brush cleaner. I have a towel here. I'm going to take Violet Sunset and I'm going to pop that right on the lid. It does have more of a pink shift. Kind of blend these two shades. Just like that. Let me go ahead and do this eye along with some lashes. I'm thinking I might do a small, not wing, but like a liner right above the eye just to give it a little bit of intensity. But one second. I've got the lashes on and I did apply my base already. I did go in with the NARS. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation in 3.5, which I will link down below. I did mix this also with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury because this is a little off for me. So we're gonna go ahead and I wanted to show you guys me using this brush, which is part of the Luxie brush. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of cream contouring using this brush. You can use this for, you know, shading in the outer crease area, but these Luxie brushes, just the angle and the density, just I've always found them to be perfect for any sort of, you know, chiseling out the nose or anything like that. And I really love this one just because I love how soft it gives the illusion when you're contouring your nose. So there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of concealer and set underneath my eyes, and then we'll move into the premium box. Everything in the box that I have used minus one brush, which is the Luxie brush for the blush, which we'll use when we move on. But let me go over pricing really quickly. So the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette retails for $37. The Luxie brush set retails for $40. The Skin Resurface skincare pads retail for $50. The Ography makeup brush cleaner, which I did use on a couple different brushes and it worked out perfectly fine, just like a spot cleaner, that retails for $19. And then the Ace Beauty eyeshadow base retails for $14.99. So we're gonna go ahead and get moving into our premium box. So the one thing I did want to show you guys was not that, but this is the card for this month. Same theme, invite only. Now I did get to choose my, you know, your pick or whatever. And the one that I picked was the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. So I knew, oh, let me put this over here. I ended up picking up the shade Tan 170. If the lighting was a little dark, I do apologize. It was off. I was cleaning it while I was in between takes, and I have a feeling I accidentally clicked on something, so oops. But here is the product. I ended up picking the shade 170 Tan, like I mentioned. You do get a little loofah poof thing. And then here is the packaging. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and here is the shade of what it looks like. That is a beautiful presentation, is it not? Like, how gorgeous is that? Ooh. We'll see. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this fluffy brush. This is actually a Moda brush. Not really sure what number it is. I know it came in one of my boxes. I love it. It's been a great brush for powder foundation as well as like bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and just, ooh, you can see it being a little dark. You could definitely add coverage. It is a little darker. I don't know. Is it darker or did it actually blend in? Next product I have are these blush drops by Rhodial. I think that's how you say it. They are, looks like liquid blush drops, and I have the shade Sunset Kiss. I'm going to use the blush brush from the base box to apply this. Ooh, look at that. I am not a big fan of blush drops. I am not very good at using them, but we're gonna give this a shot. I like more matte blushes, and you guys know that. Ooh, that's a lot. Here is the shade. All right. You can see it really just gives a light flush. I'm not seeing a whole lot of color. I'm okay with. Do you see that though? Just like a light glow. So a positive note that I do want to mention about this product is that it definitely does not pick up any powder. Since I did already apply the Lock-It powder foundation underneath it, I can definitely see that it is not picking it up. So we're moving into the next item, which is by Rhodial, I believe. It's this white box. It is a roll-on fragrance oil. Oh, let's see. There you have it. And let's give it a whiff. What is that scent? Simple ingredients of amber and musk. The oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. It is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. It is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. I've always been a fan more of the sprays versus roll-on perfumes, just personal preference, but I'll definitely give it a shot. I also do have this little baggie right here, and this is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now. It is an anti-puff, anti-dark circle serum. Next up I have is this yellow tube by Nude Sticks. This is the Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. Yes, I love micro peels. You just apply as a mask all over the face and massage 2 minutes. Use 3 to 4 times a week. So there you have that one. Last thing I see in here is by Girlactic, and this is a Rose Oil Petal Gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick, and then I'll go ahead and we can apply this right on top. I have received this before. I already can see it. I don't know if I still have the other one, but this is what it looks like. You could see the rose petals right in here. Let me go ahead, apply a little bit of lipstick, and I will be right back. So I do have these 2 lip pencils that I used. These are the Colourpop Lippy pencils, and I got them in that box set. It's like their nude set or whatever. They were having a sale. I bought the box set, and I love all of the lip colors in this set. But I have BFF3, which is all around, and then kind of right in here is a little bit more of a cooler color. And this is Boys Town. So I have these 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right in the center. It definitely smells like roses. It's nice. It's, you know, it's got that nice glossy look to it. You really only need a little bit. I have a feeling I put too much because now it's like getting in my mouth. But let's go over pricing really quickly. So the Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation is $37. The Rhodial Blush Drops are $50. The Better Skin Eye Bright Now is $38. This little guy retails for $34. The oil, the roll-on fragrance oil, retails for $50. And the Girlactic Gloss retails for $20. Let me give it to the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette, you guys, I think blends like a dream. It was super easy to create the look. Powder foundation did really good. I was a little bit nervous when I first started putting it on, but I actually feel like it brought a little bit color to my face and it evened out everything a little bit more. Everything else good. You guys let me know down below what your choice was and or what you're getting in your boxes this month. Let me know down below how this video works for you guys. Do you guys like it? Do you just like your unboxing, or would you recommend that I do a premium unboxing try on / and then do like a separate video on base box unboxing? I'm an open book. You let me know. I thought this would be a little bit different and fun. Thank you so much for the positive support for my channel. Thank you for constantly being here for me, and I will see you guys all in my next video, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.